Hi, this is Zach Schultz, and this is my Ruby on Rails project walkthrough. So I kept this project as simple as possible due to various reasons. So let's just get started. So this is the home page. If you go to localhost /home, from here, if you're not logged in, you cannot view volunteers, so it prompts you to log in. You can view all the dogs available to everybody through this project. You may sign up and create a new user. You may log in, or you may log out, which just logs you out and redirects you to the login page. When you log in, you can log in with a username and password, or you can log in via a GitHub account. In this case, let's walk through the whole process and sign up. So, username, password, confirm password. So, username, we'll go with test. Don't want to tell you my password. It's 1234. Create user. Awesome. And now it prompts you to go ahead and create a volunteer. So I'll go with Matthew. So this app, before I get too far into it, is designed for those helping out dog shelters or adoption centers or pounds or SPCAs, anywhere where you might be volunteering and helping walk dogs. This is the place. So you can log various volunteers' hours under you. So that's what I did in the previous screen. I created a new volunteer named Matthew. They only have a name associated with them. Here we're creating a walk, and so a walk has a dog associated with it. So we can just pick any of the dogs. A duration, so how long we walk. So let's say we walk for 60 minutes, and a date. So let's keep life simple. Let's go 1/1/2020. And we create a walk. So now we're reviewing all of Matthew's walks. So he walked Ginger for 60 minutes on this date. Now, let's add a new walk. Just say Fido for 30 minutes. And say today's date, which is 3/15/2020, by the way. Create a walk. So now we see all of Matthew's walks. If we go to view volunteers, you'll notice that this number down here is the total of all of Matthew's walks. So as we add more walks for Matthew, his hours will tally up. And same if we keep creating volunteers. So let's see what dogs we're walking. So we got 4 dogs created. I just threw in a CRUD function behind the scenes for the dogs to just create them. As of right now, anybody can do this. Usually you're pulling from a database or using a seed of another database to pull all this, but I decided I'm just going to go ahead and create the dogs myself. Within the dogs, I have some scope methods for them. So I can order these by the time that they've been in captivity, ICE, and SPCA to make it easy. So Fido's been for 1 month. As we go down, it gets larger. So Hot Dog's been there for 6 months. We can look up just Rottweilers. They're my favorite dogs, so I decided, hey, I'm going to put a scope method where I can find all the Rottweilers. And female. Let's say I'm only interested in dogs that are females. The scope method pulls up just all the females. So when that's all said and done, it's a pretty simple app. Complex Rails methodology behind it. Let's log out. So let's say we want to sign up though. Bob wants to sign up. And he forgot to put his password. Passwords can't be blank. What are you thinking? So I need to fix this because I don't like this, so I'll fix it before I submit. So okay, let's give Bob a password. And do. That's right. I didn't make the passwords. equal my confirmation password. Okay. So I don't want to create another user, so that's just testing my error functionality. Same thing if I were to log in. So if I were to log in with Zach with the wrong password, password invalid, or Bob, we know Bob's not a user. Just says username invalid, like, hey, that's not the right username. So even if, yeah, just little authentication protection right there. Let's log in via GitHub. I already did the back work for that. Let's create a new volunteer. Oh, name can't be blank, darn. Awesome. Let's add a walk. So 15 minutes. Dog must exist. Okay. That's right. We can create dogs without a date. Not a fan of that. I think I'm gonna add that validation in my model. You know what? Let's do that right now. So we'll go to our my dog model. My dog view dog model. Beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, this will be in my walk model, actually. Okay, there we go. So that fixes that. So now if I go back in here, I'm going to have to delete this Fido. It can't be right. There we go. Much better. Some on-screen fixing right there. Okay, awesome. So anyway, looks like everything's working out fine. Log out. Go back to home. So that is my project. Hope you liked it.